In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Mailgun API Key. By the end, you'll know exactly where your API key lives in the Mailgun dashboard, how to reveal it safely, and a few best practices to keep it secure. First, sign in to the Mailgun control panel using your account. Make sure you're on the correct region for your account, such as the US or EU dashboard, so everything you see matches your setup. If your organization uses two-factor authentication, have that ready. Once you're in, you'll land on the main dashboard. Next, look to the top right corner of the dashboard for your profile icon. That's your account menu. Click it to open the drop-down options. From there, select API Security. This is the section where Mailgun keeps your API keys and related security settings. If your interface looks a little different, look for a Security or API section in the Account or Settings area. Mailgun sometimes adjusts labels, but the API Security page is what you're after. On the API Security page, you'll see your primary account API key, along with any additional keys you or your team have created. By default, the primary key is hidden for safety. You'll notice the key field is obfuscated and there's an eye icon next to it. Click the eye icon to reveal the actual key value. Mailgun may ask for a quick confirmation before revealing it. That's normal and helps prevent accidental exposure. Once it's visible, you can copy the key. Treat this key like a password. Only reveal it when you need to copy it, and then hide it again. Store it in a secure place, such as a password manager or your project's environment variables, rather than pasting it into code or sharing it in chat. If you're working with teammates, consider using role-based access and creating additional API keys with limited scope instead of sharing the primary key. And if you ever suspect it's been exposed, rotate it immediately from the same API security page. A quick note on permissions. If you can't see the API security page or the keys are grayed out, your account might not have the required access. In that case, ask an administrator on your Mailgun account to grant the proper permissions or retrieve the key for you. That's it. Log in, open the account menu, go to API Security, reveal the key with the eye icon, and copy it securely. Keep it safe, and you'll be ready to plug it into your application or integration with confidence.